Ducati named its new V4-powered superbike Panigale to underline its goal of once again rising to the very top of the World Superbike Championship, but also because it wanted to offer enthusiasts around the world a sport bike every bit as exotic as a Ferrari sports car. Styling remains similar to that of the Panigale 1299, just more compact and slightly bulbous from the side, while the front is neat and sharp. Everything appears well tucked in to ensure a functional riding position and maximum clearance when cornering. The chassis represents an evolution of the Panigale cast aluminum monocoque structure, called front frame, which is even leaner and lighter but with more than appropriate torsional and flexional rigidity to handle the terrific potential of the new 1,103cc diesel C2C V4.